Hey guys, this is your favorite YouTuber V Srivastav here, and today together we shall be exploring the topic of energy in geography. We shall be learning about the two types of energy resources and some kinds of energy resources in those two types. Let's see. Energy resources. What is energy? Energy in physics is the capacity of for doing work, and it can't be either made or destroyed. Types of energy resources. There are two types of energy resources. One is renewable energy, and the second is non-renewable energy. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is the energy which is there in the nature and is not limited. It is also a non-polluting kind of energy, and it is also cost competitive from a long-term point of view, because once you install any of these, okay, if you install, say you install this is the windmill. If you install that, then there are no costs which is left for you to pay, because you've already paid for the installation of that, and then your work is done. Examples of renewable energy. That some types of renewable energy which I know, they are solar, wind, and hydropower, are also biomass. Now let's see about renewable energy. Solar energy. Solar energy is this kind of energy which is taken from the sun, and this solar panel absorbs the sun's rays and converts it to electrical energy, which can be later converted to thermal energy to heat your home. Wind energy. It is made due to this windmill. It is taken from the wind and converts blowing wind to electrical energy. Hydropower. This is a hydropower. So now let us go into detail about this hydropower. Now first, this from the water from the higher reservoir comes down to the lower reservoir. During that process, there is a turbine which turns a generator which produces electricity to the transformer, which produces electricity and gives it to the transformer, which gives it to electricity, which gives the electricity to the wires which take it to our home. And this energy is taken from water. As you know, it converts water from a great height to the electrical energy. Biomass. This is a biomass energy. Now, biomass is taken from waste items. It is the organic material is used as a fuel in that. Now, advantages and disadvantages of the energy resources we have learned. Now, name solar power. Advantage: free of cost, reduces pollution. Disadvantage: installation is expensive. It depends on where the source is worth exploiting. Tropical countries where there is a lot of sun. Then wind power. It is a clean fuel source. Wind turbines are expensive though, and it can be put in rural areas and coastal areas where there is a lot of wind. Hydropower, it doesn't pollute the air. The initial cost is high, and it can be put where the shortage of electricity, there's no shortage of electricity. Biomass is carbon neutral. It's not efficient as fossil fuels and can be used in villages. Non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy is the energy which is limited in nature. It pollutes the air and environment and is high in cost, like nuclear power, fossil fuels, coal, natural gas. All of these are like a high in cost. Okay. Now, examples of non-renewable energy: coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Let's see. Coal. Coal is found mostly in swampy region and is removed from the waterbed. Petroleum is better known as the liquid gold, and it has a high value in the world market. It is the fuel for transportation and aviation industries. It is also known as crude oil and has to be drilled out of rock beds in the sea, as you can see over here in this picture. And its impurities have to be removed before use. Natural gas. Natural gas is naturally occurring gas which is below the surface of the earth, and it is a mixture consisting primarily of methane. Advantages and disadvantages of the energy sources we have learned. Coal. It has a high load factor, but then coal emissions are linked to health concerns. Petroleum. Petroleum is extremely easy to extract, but yes, it contributes to its combustion contributes to dangerous gases to the environment, which can in turn lead to the ozone layer to be destroyed. Natural gas. Natural gas is environmentally friendly because it burns cleaner than other fossil fuels. But it does contribute to greenhouse gases. Thank you, friends, for your attention, and we shall meet in another video. Bye.